how you can bend reality. It is the gateway of fulfillment. Now, what is reality and how to bend reality? There is a very beautiful lake. You are observing a very beautiful lake. Very calm and quiet lake. There is not a single ripple in the lake. And you are getting the full image of a tree standing near the lake. So this is the reality of the lake. A inverted image of the lake, calm and quiet surface of the lake. There is not a single ripple on the surface of the lake. That is the full view, full reality of the lake at present. Now you stop the lake. Suppose you peeled a tiny stone into the lake. Then what will happen? Ripples will be created on the surface of the lake, and those ripples will reach every extremities of the lake, distorting the inverted image of the tree. That time you will not get the image of the tree, because the surface of the lake is totally turmoiled by the stone you pelted into it. Now you created a different reality. Okay? So in this story, what happened? First, you paid attention on the lake. You gave the attention on the lake. Second, a intention came in your mind to pelt the stone into the lake. Right? Then at last, action. You actually acted on it, on your intention. You threw a stone into the lake and disturbed the surface of the lake. Now it is the new reality of the lake. So from here, three things come in your mind: attention, intention, and then action. So from that story, it is very clear. Attention and intention are the two forces to bend the reality. See, energy and information everywhere in the existence, everywhere in the space and time. When you are giving attention, then you are creating a certain type of information. You are triggering the information already existed in the space, in the existence. your attention make the field fertile, trigger the field of the information. This is, I am telling from the scientific experiment conducted in modern physics, quantum physics. How to fulfill your desire, how to bring your desire in your reality. Attention, intention. The mechanics of attention and intention is experimented in the scientific department. That you should understand first. If you are going to become the master of your own reality, master of your own creation, if you want to manifest everything you wish in your life, then these two things, attention and intention, should be understood very clearly, step by step. So when you are giving attention on some specific object or subject, you energize the field, you trigger the field, you make the field of information fertile, energize it. Then comes intention. After paying much attention, then you intend to bring that particular thing where you give your attention. Then that intention transform the field into actuality, transform that information into actuality. Okay, I am giving you another example. In this example, it will be totally clear. I am giving a very practical example, and most of you have experienced in your life many times. I have experienced it in my life. I am telling you, suppose you are planning to buy a new car, right? A particular model of car you are planning to buy, or you have bought that car. Then see, that particular model of car becomes visible or seen everywhere on the road. I experienced that thing when I bought my car, a particular model of car. I noticed that that particular model of car everywhere on the road. How this happened? Because you observe or not observe, that particular model of car was there. But as you are giving attention, or as you are intending to buy it or bought it already, then it becomes visible to your eyes. It is very beautiful things I experienced in my life. So wherever or whenever you are giving attention, that thing becomes very active in the existence, and your intention brought bring it to reality. Now, understand one thing. Intention means your desire without any expectation. Your desire without any attachment to the outcome of your desire. Intention means desire without any attachment to the result, without attachment to the outcome. If you are too much attached to the outcome or to the result, then that thing will not happen in your life. That thing will not come in your life. It is also a proven fact. If you have read Gita or Veda or Bhagavatam, all that Indian ancient scriptures already advocated that thing, mentioned that thing. Action without any attachment to the result, without attachment to the outcome. That thing should be understood, because 99% of people, they are very attached to the outcome, to the result of their desire or intention. That's why our desire are not answered, are not manifested most of the time, because your desire is mixed with the outcome, attachment to the outcome. Why it not happened? If you are too much attached or too much attached to the outcome or result, why not happened? I am telling you, you have to understand the mechanics of your brain. When you are attached to the result or outcome, your brain create electromagnetic field. Every fraction of second, your brain is creating electromagnetic field, multiple electromagnetic field. In that infinite number of magnetic field, your own magnetic field that brain is creating, your desire, the information of your desire becomes disintegrated, disappeared, withered. Then how it will happen in your life? It is a proven fact in scientific lab. Scientists experimented that doctrine of Veda and Gita, and they came out true. So first you have to understand the mechanics of your brain, because the question is very obvious. The question comes very spontaneously in our mind. If I want something, then I will be attached to that something. Without the attachment to the result, how that things will be manifested in our life? This question is very simple and it comes in our mind very easily. But the moment you understand the mechanics of your brain, the mechanics of attention and intention, if you understand properly, thoroughly, then you will be not attached to the outcome or result of your action or your intention. So first learn to be detached from your desire and desired outcome. This has to be understood. And then learn the technique of giving attention to some particular object or subject which you desire. Then learn to intend without any kind of expectation. The more you expect that thing, the more that thing will slip out from your hand. Will be slipped out from your hand. This is the total picture of bending the reality. Namaste.